If you tap a corner of the CCD touchpad, the cursor moves to the same corner of the MFD or to the corners of an area inside the MFD. This does not occur if you only slide your finger to the corner. You must tap the touchpad. You have seen that the MFK Cursor Control Selector will move the cursor to different active areas in a specified sequence. The highlight usually moves from left to right, top to bottom, when you turn the selector clockwise. Turn the selector clockwise now. Use the green arrow to continue. The highlight moves in the opposite direction when you turn the selector counterclockwise. Turn the selector counterclockwise now. Use the green arrow to continue. You can also turn the selector quickly to move the highlight box to active areas specified for that MFD. These active areas can be different for each type of MFD. The last step to control an MFD is to select the highlighted active area. Select the Flight Controls checklist item. Keep the cursor on the Flight Controls checklist item. A green check mark shows that you selected the checklist item. The item becomes green to tell you that an MFD active area was selected. You can see that the cursor and highlight box move to the next item. A number of displays use this automatic highlight function. When you make a selection, the cursor automatically moves to the next area where a selection must be made. To select a highlighted area, you can also use the cursor select switch or the Enter key on the MFK. You have typed in your destination, PHNL. Use the MFK cursor select switch to enter it in the destination line. Now you have typed in the flight number, 78701. Use the Enter key to enter it in the flight number line. The Enter key is a good tool to help you enter data into the CDU. Data entry is talked about later in this lesson.